All right, sixth graders, welcome to the 2019-2020 sixth grade literacy checkpoint 2. Please make sure that you follow along, go at your own pace, and please read the passage by yourself. Let's get started. Number 1. In paragraph 1, the reader can conclude that the author compares most parrots to tape recorders because A. Parrots can learn to make a wide variety of sounds. B. Parrots can be a lot of fun to play with. C. Parrots are able to store information. D. Parrots repeat sounds without understanding meaning. Number 2. The chimpanzee Lana used the word this for objects she could not name. The chimpanzee that Lana used the word this for objects she could not name. The reader can conclude scientists most likely saw this as evidence of F. A lucky guess. G. A lazy attitude. H. Hiding her ignorance. J. Advanced thinking. Number 3. The relationship between Washoe and Lulis could be best compared to the relationship between A. A teacher and her pupil. B. A scientist and her subject. C. An owner and her pet. D. A boss and her employee. Number 4. Which of the following is the best summary of the article? F. Most animals probably are not capable of understanding human language, but a few animals, including apes, dolphins, sea lions, and some parrots, might be. G. Primates, which include humans, monkeys, and apes, have flat faces and eyes that point forward. They cannot speak the way humans can, but they do communicate. H. In nature, apes communicate through their sense of touch, body language, facial expressions, and posture. In experiments, they communicate through signs. Or J. Human language is complex, involving grammar and symbols, and scientists believe that most animals are not capable of using language like we do. Number 5. Based on the information in paragraph 6, an animal's ability to understand language depends mostly on the structure of the animal's A. Vocal cords, B. Mouth, C. Brain, D. Ears. Number 6. The reader can conclude that in the future, research on animals and human language will most likely F. Keep making small advances. G. Stop short. H. Lead to talking animals. J. Slowly decline. 7. Based on the information included in the selection, the reader can infer the author of the selection would be most likely to write another piece. A. Comparing the language abilities of dolphins and sea lions. B. Arguing that parrots are actually smarter than gorillas. C. Explaining why it is wrong to use animals in experiments. D. Telling the life story of a famous scientist. Number 8. Which detail from the selection supports the idea that Washoe was different from Lulis? F. Washoe was a chimpanzee, but Lulis was a bonobo. G. Lulis learned to use tokens to represent words. H. Washoe was able to learn many signs. Or J. Lulis received no instruction from people. Number 9. How are dolphins similar to other animals that scientists think might be able to learn human language? A. They have highly developed brains. B. They are able to name colors. C. They are good swimmers. D. They are easy to use in experiments. Number 10. In paragraph 4, why does the author say that apes act like hairdressers? F. Because apes care about their appearance. G. Because apes frequently groom each other. H. Because apes use special tools to clean each other. J. Because only some apes know how to groom others. 11. Which statement best expresses an opinion found in the passage? A. Compared to many other animals, sea lions have highly developed brains. B. Washu, the chimpanzee, was quite successful in learning sign language. C. Apes communicate through body posture, facial expressions, and position. D. Dogs can be taught to speak and do tricks in exchange for treats. Number 12. What is the speaker doing at the end of the poem? F. Flying over the city in an airplane. G. Walking down the streets in the city. H. Dancing with her cousin in the city. J. Looking down at the city from inside a building. 13. What does the poet most likely want readers to feel after reading this poem? A. Cities are difficult places to live. B. Disagreements can tear families apart. C. The city is a busy, wonderful place. D. Modern cities are crowded and dirty. 14. In lines 9 through 11, what is the most likely reason that the speaker asks, "But how do you sleep at night?" F. Because she thinks Margot should feel guilty for living in the city. G. Because she is curious about her sleeping habits. H. Because she thinks that Margot should stay awake and have fun in the city. J. Because she cannot imagine how Margot sleeps through all the noise in the city. 15. To which sense do lines 12 through 19 appeal? To which sense do lines 12 through 19 appeal? A. Smell. B. Sight. C. Touch. D. Hearing. 16. Why does the speaker feel surrounded by wilderness? F. Because the speakers hear monkeys. G. Because of the many streets. H. Because the speaker feels lost. J. Because of the non-human sounds. 17. Who is the speaker in the poem? A. Someone who lives in the city. B. An eagle. C. Margot's cousin who visits the city. Or D. Margot. 18. Read the excerpt. Gretel. Who knows? Perhaps they are not coming and are dining elsewhere. Slowly smiling. I might as well enjoy myself then. One fowl has been cut, so I better finish it. Why waste divine food? Why does the author include the stage directions in paragraph 17? F. To explain why Gretel eats the first fowl. G. To convey why Gretel is concerned. H. To emphasize how Gretel feels. J. To show the audience why Gretel is pleased. Read this line from paragraph 17. Gretel. Who knows? Perhaps they are not coming and are dining elsewhere. Slowly smiling. I might as well enjoy myself then. One fowl has been cut, so I better finish it. Why waste divine food? The word divine comes from the Latin word divinus, meaning godlike. Based on this meaning, what word best describes the fowl? A. Appetizing. B. All-powerful. C. Lovely. Or D. Blessed. 20. Which of the following best describes a theme of the play? F. Trickery can be a useful tool. G. Greed can lead to immense conflicts. H. It is impossible to be too cunning for one's own good. J. Dishonesty is the wisest way to avoid trouble. 21. Look at the dictionary entry below. Waste. Number 1. To become weaker over time. 2. To fail to make good use of. 3. To offer to an ungrateful person. 4. To destroy or ruin. So waste and then V. Which definition of the word waste is used in paragraph 17? A. Definition 1. B. Definition 2. C. Definition 3. Or D. Definition 4. 22. What can the reader conclude about the guest? F. He will not accept dinner invitations from anyone in the future. G. He is a close friend to Master. H. He is new to the village and does not know of Gretel's deceptive nature. J. He will try to avoid master in the future. 23, as used in paragraph 26. What does the word intention mean? A. Impulse. B. Plan. C. Proposal. D. Motivation. All right, you are done. Please follow your teacher's instructions on what to do after you're done with the test.